With a filter like this, you've really got about 6 months of filter life if you run it continuously. With our filter at INOVA, you've got up to 5 years on the HEPA filter. That's because we're using very high efficiency pre-filter, which is going to get virtually all the dust before it even gets to the HEPA. 6 months versus 5 years for a HEPA filter, that's a big difference. $229 versus $195 for our equivalent medical grade HEPA filter every 3 to 5 years of continuous use, depending on how much dust is in the air. So very big difference with how much this filter is going to cost you to run over the long term, and also how well that filter is going to work.
Start breathing clean air today. Visit us at airclean.com.au.